Hi there, my name is Yevhen. I'm a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. I suggest you right now subscribe to my channel. Let me introduce the IKEA dishwasher. Reason for contacting the service. The water is leaking sometimes underneath the dishwasher. I'm starting to diagnose. I open the dishwasher and do a visual inspection. The cause of the leak is already visible. In this case, there is no need to remove the dishwasher from the furniture and disassemble it. This part in my hand is clearly damaged. This is the lower impeller. The impeller is necessary for uniform distribution of water in thin streams when washing dishes. This part is made of plastic. Most likely it melted due to a very hot frying pan or pan that was simply removed from the stove and put in the dishwasher. Let's start the renovation. I removed the broken part. I'm installing a new part. The repair is now complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to learn more about the process of repairing and servicing appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Bye bye.